welcome back to J-Spot and welcome back to my series on healthy and natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, as I will be showing you how I got this look with my perm rods. So cute. I love this look. It's so nice, so fluffy, so soft. But yes, I'll be showing you all the steps to how I got it, every product that I use, and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please do not forget to enter the giveaway. Everything will be linked down below. I already finished the side. It didn't take long actually, so I'm just going to show you how I do this side. Okay, so I'm going to part the middle. First I like to do it with my finger, then with the comb, because it can be very tangly and it hurts, honestly. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of finger detangle, separate, because it was in clumps because of the braid. It smells so good. Now I'm going to go in with my MIELLE pomegranate and honey souffle. I'm just going to take kind of a lot because I'm using it for the whole section. And I know my hair is not like wet, so probably like, why are you putting it on dry hair? But my hair will suck up all this moisture just like this. It's fine. And I'm gonna put gel in it too, so it'll get wet. I'm just massaging it in my hair. I'm doing this at night because I want a whole day's worth before I take it out. So I'm going to take it out either tomorrow night, Friday morning, and for as long as possible before I take it out so it can fully dry, because I'm doing it in this form or this style, it's a lot thicker, and so products take longer to dry. So now I'm going to section the bottom and so it's smaller, but I have my section here, and I'm going to split it into two. Actually, it could be a little thicker. Okay. And we're going to split this section into two. I'm trying to feel it out. Okay, I'm going to put this section to the top here so I can see. It helps me a lot better. Okay, I'm going to get some of my Eco Styling Gel, my black castor oil, flaxseed Eco Styling. You'll get a little bit of it, and it's honestly just how much you desire. See, I think I just put too much right now. I did, but it's okay. But see, again, my hair is already getting so wet. My curls are starting to show and elongate. And then I'm gonna get my Shine and Jam. I've been using this a lot now. And I'm going to put some at the top, a little at the bottom, but I'll put more at the bottom when I get there. But a little at the top. With this method, I've decided to twist the root so that I'm like stretching my hair almost for when I take it out. And then I go down to a spiral. It's almost like I'm twisting it, but I'm not. And I'm trying to hold this. I leave some of the hair out like this, about this much is good, and I go in with my perm rod and I get some of the Shine and Jam and a little bit of my curling cream for moisture, as your ends are the oldest part of your hair. Put some moisturizer on it. So I go on the ends just like this. Don't mind my nails. I go on the end just like this, and I roll it up so that it's just nice and smooth. And I know it looks like I'm doing the other method right now, but I'm not. And you twist up. And as I twist up, I kind of smooth it out. Twist, twist, twist. And once I feel that it gets bigger and it's not in that same form, I may twist it like this, way up, And I always put this elastic part at the root of the hair. So I'll lock it so that it stays put there. Whereas if I did the other way around, it would have dropped. You don't want it to drop. And there it is. Boop. And so again, with this section, I get my gel, put it in my hair. Shine and gem. I twist about maybe 3 times, and then I stop and do this kind of twist. Okay, so we're on the last one, finally. Comb it out, I just added my gel. Honestly, if you want, like, you can use a tooth comb and comb it out, but I just don't want to. But it may help you out. And that's it. And I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna wear my scarf and my bonnet. Okay guys, so it is the next night, and so I'm just gonna start taking these out, showing you how I unravel it and how I stretch my hair. So I'm gonna get a little bit of olive oil, just a little like that, and rub it all over my hands. And start to because we need to talk about the shrinkage. Yeah, my hair feels so good. These were the right products, trust me, daddy. Okay, I did that like this. You still can see a little product, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay. So I was figuring out how I want to stretch it. Do a pineapple. So it's the next day, and I'm just going to show you guys how I stretch my curls. This is how it's looking. I don't know if I wanna. Period. I definitely want it bigger, so let's do that. Well, this is the look. I think I'm gonna go in my actual mirror and try to like unravel the ones I want, because I can't really see. And this little camera, so I will show you, but yeah.